Guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. If you are wondering to transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal, now there is no direct way you could transfer, unfortunately. So what you have to do is instead you need to withdraw the funds from your Payoneer to your bank account, and you have to transfer the money from the bank account to PayPal. So here is a simple trick what you could do. Actually, you could link the same bank account to Payoneer as well as PayPal. So what you can do is when you're transferring money from your Payoneer, you could directly transfer to the linked bank account, for example. And then what you could do is from the same linked bank account, as I mentioned that you have to link the same bank account to Payoneer as well as PayPal. Then open the PayPal, and from the bank account you could deposit it into your PayPal. That is the indirect as well as you could consider a lengthy process, but this is the only way you could transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. So likewise, what you have to do is if you want to do this step, you have to sign into your Payoneer account first of all. Then you want to go to withdraw and transfer section and select withdraw to bank. After which you have to go ahead and enter the exact amount, and if you haven't added a bank account, then you need to add one. After which just follow the on-screen prompt, and once you've successfully added money from your Payoneer to bank account, now you have to completely close Payoneer as well as bank account section. Now then launch open the PayPal, and here you will have to go ahead on the wallet section. Then you want to go ahead and add the bank account, that means the same bank, and then you have to go ahead and click on add money over here and add the same amount that you've deposited from Payoneer, and that's the simplest way you could transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.